The problem here is if a plus 1 over b that is equal to 7, b plus 1 over c that is equal to 55 and multiplication of abc is equal to 1, then we'll have to find the value of c plus 1 over a. Hello friends, welcome back to the Warrior classes. Today in this sessions we'll solve this interesting algebraic problem. Before we start, please give a thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Now here the similar value a plus 1 over b and it is b plus 1 over c, and we have to find the similar value, that is it is a similar type of series and we have the value of abc. So first, for solution of this problem, we will multiply all the threes left hand side. Means we will multiply a plus 1 over b multiplied by b plus 1 over c, b plus 1 over c multiplied by the next value, that is c plus 1 over a. Now the value of this term we have 7, so that is equal to 7, and value of this term is b plus 1 over c, that is equal to 55, so multiplied by 55, and we'll have to find the value of c plus 1 over a, so we'll multiply by this value, that is c plus 1 over a. Hope you people are getting. Now we'll multiply these first two factors. Now here we'll use the FOIL method. FOIL method is first and first. O means outside, so outside here is a and 1 over c. Then I means inside, so these two are inside. Then last, L for last, so at the last. So first we will multiply a and b, so it will be ab. Now O means outer, so it will be a by c, a by c. Then I means inside, so it will be b divided by b, so plus b divided by b, plus at the last, so it will be 1 over bc, so it is 1 over bc. Now this value is multiplied by the another factor, that is c plus 1 over a, and in the right hand side we have 7 multiplied 55 is the shortcut for multiplication. So multiplication of 11 is, so multiplication of 7 with the any number, that is 5 and 5 will be 35. So we'll write 35 as 3 and we'll keep one blank and 5. After that we'll add these two numbers, means we'll add 3 and 5, so the value of this will be 8. So 385 is the multiplication of 7 and 55, and that is multiplied by c plus 1 over a. Now here b and b is cancelled, so now simplification of this value, so the factor of ab plus a by c, and here it will be 1 plus this is 1 over bc, and that is multiplied by another factor, that is c plus 1 over a, and in the right hand side we have 385 multiplied by c plus 1 over a. Now again we will multiply these two factors. First we will multiply by c, so if we will multiply by c abc, so it will be abc, and for the second time it is ac divided by c, so it is ac divided by c, plus 1 multiplied by c is c, plus now c multiplied by 1 over bc will be c divided by bc. Now after that we'll multiply by 1 over a, so it will be plus, so it is ab divided by a plus a divided by ac, so a divided by ac, plus now we'll multiply with 1, so it will be 1 divided by a, plus now we'll multiply by these two, so it will be 1 divided by abc, right? And in the right hand side we have 385 multiplied by c plus 1 over a. Now in the next step we'll simplify it. Here c and c goes cancel, again c and c, and here it is a and a, here again a and a. Now we can write it abc, abc, plus here it is a, plus here it is c, so it is c, plus here it is 1 over b, so it is 1 over b, plus here it is b, so it is b, plus here it is 1 over c, 1 over c, and here it is 1 over a, so it is 1 over a, plus at the last it is 1 over abc, a, b and c, and that is equal to 385 multiplied by c plus 1 over a. Now in the next step we'll arrange this expression such a way that we can replace this value by 7 or 55. Now look at here, we can write a plus 1 over b, so together we'll write a plus 1 over b, so that we can replace this value by 7. Now plus we have b plus 1 over c, so it is b plus 1 over c, so it is b plus 1 over c. So now we can write abc plus 1 over abc, so we write abc plus 1 over abc, 1 over abc, and at the last we are left with c plus 1 over a, so it is c plus 1 over a, and that is equal to 385 multiplied by c plus 1 over a. Now we'll substitute the value of a plus 1 over b. The value of a plus 1 over b is 7 here, so we'll write it is 7 plus the value of b plus 1 over c. The value of b plus 1 over c is 55, so we'll substitute by 55 plus, now the value of abc, it is given here, is 1, so we can replace it by 1 plus, and 1 over 1, abc value is 1, so 1 over 1 is 1 plus the value of it is c plus 1 over a, that is equal to 385 multiplied by c plus 1 over a. Now we'll simplify it. So here 7 plus 55 is 62 and 1 plus 1 is 64. So it is c plus 1 over a, c plus 1 over a plus the value of all the terms here is 64, and that is equal to 385 multiplied by c plus 1 over a. So here we have c plus 1 over a. In the left hand side we have also c plus 1 over a. So we can write, so we'll take this value in the right hand side and we'll write it first. So it will be 385 multiplied by c plus 1 over a, and if we'll take this value in the another side, this will be negative c plus 1 over a, and that is equal to 64. Hope you have understood this. Now if you look at carefully, we have c plus 1 over a in both the terms, so we can take c plus 1 over a common from here. So here we'll take c plus 1 over a common, and we'll have to find the value of this term only. So in the another bracket we are left with 385 minus 1, and that is equal to 64. And now we'll simplify it. So 385 minus 1 is 384. So here it is 384 multiplied by c plus 1 over a, that is equal to 64. Now in both the side we'll divide by 384. So we'll divide 384 for simplification. Here it is 384. Now here it is cancelling by the same value. Now it is 64. 6 times is 384. So the value of this term is c plus 1 over a. Here we have calculated the value is 1 over 6. So answer of this problem means c plus 1 over value is 1 over 6. 1 over 6, that is our answer of this problem. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video. If you learned something from the video, friends, do not forget to give your supports. Thank you for watching the video.